She took you with her. Isn't that just swell? But it can't be. Oh, but it can be. And it is. I've got a new style and a few new toys that are going to put an end to your happily ever after once and for all. Whoa, there's gotta be a misunderstanding. In case you haven't heard, I have a passion. Yeah, I've heard. I've had your little message to the universe. On loop! I just love that part where Pink Diamond spends the rest of her days on this nowhere planet with a bunch of nobodies. That's right, I've heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. That's right, I've heard the story, don't really like how it ends. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. What did she say about me? What did she say? What did you do without me? What did you do? Did you play games without me? What did you play? Did you think all this time that I wouldn't find out about you? Oh, that's right, I heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. She's running circles around us. I'm rusty, give me a break. It really is her, but she can't be serious. You know her, Pearl? Can you tell us who she is? Who am I? Who am I? What are you even saying? I'm the loser of the game you didn't know you're playing. Let's play another game. This time I get to win. Lives on the line, winner takes all, ready or not, let's begin. Oh, that's right, I heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. Oh, that's right, I heard the story, don't really like how it ends. Gee, it's swell to finally beat her other. Oh, they did so bad.